Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox no sound or no audio. The first thing that I suggest doing is going into the Roblox game or opening up the Roblox game. Then you want to press escape, go into settings, scroll down, and first make sure that the volume is not set to 0. So here where you have the volume, make sure that this does in fact work. As you can see, now there should be sound, but there isn't. So what can we do instead? Now another thing that you can do here is right click on the volume mixer or the sound settings, open volume mixer, and make sure that Roblox is not set to 0. So right here, make sure this is unmuted and that this is set to a high enough number. Now once you have verified this as well and made sure that it doesn't work, then we can proceed to the next step. Open up your computer search and search for device manager. Click on device manager and you wanna expand this audio inputs and outputs and click on every single one, right click, and you wanna update the driver if there is an available update for them. And make sure you focus on the speakers because that is the most important driver, and you wanna click on update driver. Once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, the last thing that I could suggest doing is opening up run. So you want to click on run here and you will type this %temp% and click on OK. From here, you will click on any folder, type R, so you find Roblox, and then you want to right click and delete this folder. These are just temporary files which you don't need. And that should fix no sound in Roblox. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.